Hey guys, today I'm unboxing the Dell Inspiron 14 5000 2-in-1, which is actually a 5406 2-in-1 grey with i7 1165G7 processor and 8 gigs of memory. This is 512 gigabyte SSD and RSXE graphics. Comes with Windows 10, so I might upgrade to Windows 11. So let's get into this box. So where do we start off this box? Look at this box. My hand. That's how big this box is. Okay. There's no information on it, so I'm going to blur it. So we'll get into this package first. Big seal. Yeah, that should be good. Maybe not. Very weird seal. There we go. Yeah, that should be good now. There, look at that. Intel inside, of course. So, first thing we see, let's turn it this way. First thing we see, actually probably better this way. First thing we see is the power adapter, which is of course a brick right here. Pretty small, that's actually a pretty small brick. 45 watt one. AC adapter, and it has the charger cord, the plug. Get that side. Then we have actual plug for it, which is Australian, which is good. And you can see it says made in China. Yes. Australian stuff is made in China. We have a massive silica gel, look at that. Okay, now it's the actual laptop time. You can see inside there, there's two holes. So we have to pull it out there. Put it down. Pull that out, and you get this big bit of cardboard, which is recycling. And then we see that. And I bet you, as soon as we pull this out, we will see the laptop behind it. I might start it initially as well, depends. Depends if it has charge. There it is, there's all the manuals. Let's get the manuals out first. Get them. Here's the laptop, I'm holding it. Oh wow, that looks amazing. This is Inspiron, I don't know how you pronounce it on it. Look at that. This is awesome looking. Wow, it looks amazing. There it is. That's how big it is. Let's put this aside and look at the manuals, which I think is. Oh no, I think that's it. We might set up Windows 10 as well. More cardboard. And that's the last bit of manual. A lot of cardboard. So we have the safety and regulatory information, which I'm not going to read, of course. We have the port, contacting Dell. We also have warranty information and the actual manual. Actually, that's not really a manual, this shows where everything is. Oh, it has a webcam blocker, which is always good to the people scared. It has USB-C port, which is actually really good because my phone is USB-C, which I'm filming with my new phone. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see if we can get this open laptop out of its plastic cover. Have a look. Actually, I don't think I'll do this in this video. So, this was me unboxing, so thank you guys for watching.